Good afternoon, guys. I'm so sorry for yesterday's video. Um, it was on the setting though, but um, we just dive into my system now, so we'll just get everything straight. So yesterday, like I said, we'll be working with app maker. With this app maker, you could actually design any form of app of your choice. It could be WhatsApp, e-commerce app, a radio station, TV station, or any kind of app at all. So with this app maker, you can actually get that done. So you don't need, or you won't be needing any form of coding experience, or you don't need that. You don't need that. So with this app, you could get 100% success in what you're doing. So if you're just joining this training for the very first time, I actually recommend you to go give me a thumbs up and hit that bell, follow that bell icon there, so YouTube actually notify you whenever I post a video like this or useful content, so you'll be the first to see the video. So just like, comment and share. So and on this video I will actually advise you to stick to this video to the very end. Don't just, okay, I've seen the app, I've seen how it looks like, and you just log out. No, you just need to watch this video to the very end, because I'll be teaching you step by step how to navigate around this very mobile app, and how to bypass some aspect and some part of this video. So without wasting most of our time, I'll dive into my system. So first of all, you have to create an account. So this is my own account, so I don't need to create any account. So I'll just sign in, and you take a very good look at my dashboard here. You see a lot of app I've actually designed for my clients. Actually design a lot of apps for my clients. So I'll be taking you guys. I'll be creating a new app to for a tutorial section. But so you just come to this create app. This is where you give your app a name, a very unique name that will actually match what you're doing. If you want to create a chat app, you have to name it something that has to do with chat. But I'm designing an app game. Okay, so just I'll just say, okay, let me just say games kiddie, games kiddie. So you choose a file. If you're designing for your clients, you could just ask your client to send you the icon, or you could also charge your client to design the app icon. So we're still coming close to the graphic design class. So you just choose any logo or any design from your instance. So I will be choosing, let me just choose the, for tutorial sake, let me just choose this icon here, this image here. So you give your app a description. Just give your app a description that matches what you're doing, a description that matches the app. So you just say games kiddie for kiddies only, just for tutorial sake. But you could just give a very nice and tutorial for a very nice description for your app. So you click on next. Sorry. Okay, this is where you have to select a style for your app. You could just select anyone here, but to me I love this black. So you could select anyone according to what you want to develop, according to app you actually want to develop. So I want to develop an app for games, like a games app, so I'll just use this black. So you see here they say create app kind of app. So this is where you actually start your work from. So these are the sections of the app you could create. This is a chat app, web app, a TV or video app. With this TV or video app, you can create app like a TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and the rest. So this is where you have to create app that looks like an e-commerce app, real estate shops, and those that are selling clothes, those are into clothing, electronics, and the rest. You can actually create this. This is where you create your app for your e-commerce business. So this is services. If you're running service like a restaurant, hotel, that all of that, this section is for you. Then if you're running a radio station or online radio station or a music app like Audiomax, the rest, you'll be making use of this section. This for blog app and this is for tutorial. So for me, I will be using this chat and social network. So do you want your app to have a chat? That is if you're creating a chat app, yes. But me, I'm not creating a chat app, I'm just creating a game app. So you just click on no and click on next. Do you want the app to have an user finder? No. But if you're actually creating a chat app, you can just choose this yes. So for me, I'm using no. Okay, please title for social app video section. Enter a title for, so we just give it title. Though we won't be needing this, but we just need this to bypass this stage. Just need to bypass this stage, so you can just say city ball. Then you click on next. So it will actually take you to the app manager. You click here. Okay, this is the link where you can download the app. This is the link where you can download the app you just created. But this is these are the menu where you will work on the app. So this is the general info. You come to the general info, name and icon. If you want to change the name of the app or the icon of the app, this is where you change that. But I will actually not advise you to do that, because changing the name of the app, you will need some, it will be a very it will be a bit complicated or a bit difficult for you to come here and change the name, because it has already been generated already, like the APK has been generated already. So it's better you have a better plan for before you give your app a name. So this is where you can change your app icon. Then you can go to general. This is where you change the description. If you want to lock your app a particular section, you put an access password. Maybe if you're still working on the app and you don't want anyone to have access to the app until you're done, this is where you have to put in the password. Or if you're working with your colleagues, you could just give them the link. They will be working and you actually give them this password, so they could actually have access to the your project. So ask for confirmation before ask for confirmation to quit. So whenever you're using some app, before you quit, you say yes to quit, confirm to quit. So this is where you set that. Show app icon in notification, yes. So all this, you just say yes to that. So this is where you can set access type. If you want users to log into your app with email, only invitation, or access with request. But to be this an app, this thing is a games app, so I won't be needing any of that. So I'll just leave it here. Sign up with that. Without sign up. So you come here and you save. So actually, I didn't make any changes here, so I won't be needing that. So if you want to share your app to someone, so or if you're running a referral program, this is where you do your referral settings. I recommend you this app to earn so blah 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 blah. So then let's get down to design. So design, you click on the color. If you want to change the color of your app, this is where you will actually change the color. But to me, I'll stick to black. So you come to this front here. This front is very important. So this is where you change the front of your app, how you want your app to look like. To me, I love this walkway board. I love this very front so much, so I'll be using this front here. So you click save. You can actually use any front of your choice if you want to, but I love that walkway. that. So if you're actually creating a chat app, this is where you will have to integrate the sound into your chat. Sound here to receive message, or if you don't want your chat to have a sound, you can just click on this none. But if you want your app to have a sound, you, or you don't want all the sounds here, you can just customize your own sound. And so you just navigate around and um, fix some things there or configure it yourself. So you come to this menu type. This is where you set the menu of your app. How you want the menu of your app to be like. Could be this sliding menu, table menu with app menu and top menu. So I